Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. Delicious venison steak on a bed of truffle pasta. I bought these beautiful pieces of venison at a local butchery. You can buy them as a big piece, or you can buy them as steaks. First, we're gonna season them with some Himalaya salt. And really generously season them. It's a really good technique if you're cooking sous vide, and that's what we're doing today. We're also gonna season them with some grounded black pepper. And I used 4 seasoned peppers. They're really delicious. And it gives it a special flavor. And don't forget to season the backside. We want all the sides covered. This is a vacuum bag. And I already sealed the bottom. If you're new to sous vide, then let me tell you, it's absolutely amazing. You can't do anything wrong with it. So I put the steaks in the bag, and it's time to vacuum it. And no, not with the vacuum cleaner, but with this machine. It's from Kitchen Brothers and has a lot of functions. But we're gonna use the vacuum seal. You have to lay the bag in the right spot or it doesn't work. Let me show you. Now close the lid. And we're gonna choose the vacuum seal. And you can see it's taking all the air out. And when it's done pulling all the air out, it's gonna make a seal. It's done sealing. Now check it. Sometimes it misses a spot, so I always double seal my bags, just in case. I had some things in the past that didn't go very well, so double sealing it fixes it all. Now, double sealing is done. Check it out. 2 venison steaks prepped for sous vide. But first they're gonna rest in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. For the pasta, we're gonna use this tagliatelle. Oh man, it's really hard to pronounce. Tagliatelle. Well, it's truffle pasta. Really, really good. It's time to prep the sous vide bath. And I'm gonna use this sous vide stick. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you're interested in what brand this is. For time and temperature, I used 1 hour and 40 minutes on 52 degrees. It should be enough to make it really, really delicious and very tender inside. Really a waiting game now. Just relax, have a drink, watch some TV, do some fun stuff. I really love this part. We're gonna sear the steaks, and I use a little bit of olive oil. Really heat that up. You want a direct sear if the steaks go in. We're gonna sear the steaks for about 1 minute, 1 minute and a half on each side. Depends on the thickness, but I think a minute will be enough. Now let's see. Now, that has a really nice color. And man, it smells already amazing. I'm gonna put in some butter. And I didn't have any fresh thyme laying around, so I used some dried thyme. It's okay, but fresh thyme, oh man, that's even better. I also used some garlic cloves. Really let that simmer for a bit, but not too long. It's really important to baste the steaks with the butter, the thyme and the garlic. That will give it an extra flavor. And I'm doing this for about ½ minute or so. Not too long, because then it will overcook the steak. The steaks are done. Let's get them off the heat. They will be resting for about 5 minutes, so no slicing before 5 minutes. Let it rest. Now let's slice it. Ooh, it really looks delicious. And yes, it is still pink inside. Unfortunately, I didn't have any footage of plating the dishes, but here is a picture of what it looked like. I also added some red wine reduction to give it a little bit more flavor, but hey, the steak doesn't need that flavor, but I like a red wine sauce. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my dish. If you're new, subscribe, hit that bell, give me a like, leave me a comment. I love all those things. And as always, see you next time.